Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. On keto, there are two kinds of people. Those who are sick of eating eggs and those who can't get enough. And there is a third kind who I will not mention in this video, but you know who you are. Anyway, it doesn't matter which side of the fence you are on, you're gonna love today's recipe. We're making a Thai omelette. It's called Jeow Moo Sab. Jeow means omelette and Moo Sab means ground pork, and this is a delicious and super easy to make dish. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. So to make our Jeow Moo Sab, we're going to take 2 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of fish sauce, some white pepper just because I feel like it, and 50 grams of ground pork. And then all you got to do is beat it. Just beat it. Yeah, you gotta beat it. But you gotta beat it with nice big strokes. You want to get in as much air and as much fluffiness as you can. And you also want to make sure that the pork pieces are broken up and evenly distributed. Anyway, once you're done beating that egg and done with your routine animal cruelty for the day, get a wok on the stove and pour in a lot of oil. Yep, we are literally going to be deep frying this egg. And once that oil is nice and hot, pour in that egg. And obviously my oil was not hot enough, but that doesn't matter. Through the magic of time, the oil got hot and the egg started to cook, and you can see it frothing up. And you can use a slotted spoon and sort of splash some oil over the top of the egg to get it to start cooking. And yeah, just let it cook. There's nothing to do but watch that egg cook. And you want to get a nice golden color on the bottom, so keep checking. And once that's happened, you got to flip that egg over. And then nothing to do but patiently wait as it cooks on the other side. Just let it cook, and once that's done, remove it from the wok. And that's it, my friends. Our Jeow Moo Sab, or our Thai omelette with pork mince, is ready. Alright folks, it's time to taste our Thai omelette or the Jeow Moo Sab. And I can't wait to dig in, and this is a thing of beauty. I know there are probably Westerners thinking, what is this guy doing to the omelette and overcooking it and making it brown? Eggs need to have no color on them. But trust me, all of us this side of the planet, we like our eggs brown. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let me taste. Oh man, it's delicious. And it's such a refreshing change from your standard scrambled eggs or even a regular omelette for that matter. This is like a deep fried egg and pork pancake. So good. Wow. I'm loving this, guys. And I can't believe how easy it is to make. And you can pretty much put anything in this. I mean, you could put some Thai basil, you could put some spring onions, whatever you like. Anyway, I'm going to go enjoy this Thai omelette, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, do you like eggs? We've got a whole bunch of awesome egg recipes here on the channel, so check out some of our videos.